Well, it's just gone lunchtime. We just got back from diving. What a fantastic time that was. We went to 2 dive sites. First one was Nat's Island, I believe, down to about 18 metres. We saw a giant turtle. There was a pufferfish. What else? We saw stingrays. And the coral underneath there was really, really good. Oh, a crocodile fish as well we saw down there. Then across to the second dive site, which was South Mini Lock, I believe, and that was really good as well. We saw the huge school of yellow snapper, and then we saw another turtle again, which was good. And then this huge fish, I think it's called a grouper fish, which I've never heard of, big ugly thing. And that's just a fish, not me. But yeah, that was really good as well, only down to 12 metres that time. So yeah, really enjoyed it, all good. Come back now, have a quick drink, quick refreshments, and then I think we're going to head off down to Las Cabanas beach, where there's a zip wire. So hopefully we can get down there, and instead of being under the water, we're going to be flying over the water. Come on, let's back. So that was the zip wire done. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
It was one hell of a walk up there, put it that way. It's not in this heat. It's probably the hottest day we've had since we got here, and we had to walk to the top of the hill to come down it. But yeah, it was good fun coming down. Over the water with some cracking views, weren't there? Yeah. There's some guy behind us. He came down, and I don't know what went wrong with the stopper, but he went cracking straight into the post at the end. It was like a WWE smash thing into the ropes when he comes cracking down. he was swearing his head off. He didn't know what anything to do. Fortunately, we escaped harm free. So yeah, we're going to cross back. We're on an island at the moment now. We're going to cross back onto the mainland. And have a well-deserved drink after that one, aren't we? Okay, so after the zip wiring, we had a quick drink on the beach, and then we made our way to the Republica Sunset Bar. Clues in the name. Take a look at the view from here, and we're just sat here now with a drink, waiting for sunset.